and welcome to Procurement KPI Dashboard template. KPIs, which means key performance indicators, are really essential for companies and getting much more important day by day. Because every successful business organization needs to analyze their performance to see the improvement clearly. This tool lets you track these figures in a professional and user-friendly way. So let's see the details. Basically, the template has two main sections. The first one is a section which we input our values like current year actual, current year target, and past year actual. The second one is a section at which we analyze our results in the dashboard section and also together with the charts at the same time. Additionally, in KPI info sheet, you can see the details and descriptions for each KPI we have used in the template. So, we put some dummy information to show you the tool, but you'll fill this template with your own data. Let's make an example together now. I want to add new KPI metric to my report as a new item. So I'm going to add this new item to my input section here. I can use the existing empty areas or add a new row. For this example, I'm going to select the relative group, and instead of inputting manually, I'm just going to copy and paste values from another file that I've been working on before. I'm taking the current year actual values and putting into relevant section here. Similarly, I'm taking current year target values and putting into relevant section. And the last one, I'm taking past year actual values and putting into relevant section here. That's okay. Now we can see the dashboard updates. Here, see? According to our new KPI, dashboard section shows monthly and cumulative results at the same time. We can change the month from this drop-down easily and see the details. And in the chart section, we can track our trends with monthly and cumulatively. Let's select our new KPI to show the details. That's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at Someka website. Thank you.